Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I'll be walking you through a few different methods to resolve screen flickering issues, or if your screen looks blurry, or for any reason, it might be flickering on and off while you're gaming. So without further delay, let's get started. The first thing I suggest you do is open the Start menu and click on the Settings gear icon on the left side. Once you're in the Windows settings, click on the System tile and then choose Display from the left-hand menu. Scroll down towards the bottom of the page until you see Advanced Display Settings and click on that. Take note of the display currently in use. Then minimize this window and open the Start menu again. Type in Device Manager and select it from the list of results. In Device Manager, expand the Display Adapters section. Right-click on your display adapter and choose Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. If you see multiple options, pick the one that best matches your specific display adapter. If there's only one option, go ahead and select that. Click Next and give it a moment. It should confirm that the driver has been updated successfully. Close this window. Another thing you can try, open Settings again from the Start menu. Scroll down and select the Ease of Access tile. On the left side, select Display, which it should automatically take you to. Under Related Settings, click on Additional Display Settings. Make sure everything is set to the recommended values here. If any settings are off, adjust them back to the recommended defaults. This includes screen resolution, so if the display looks too zoomed in or out, adjust it accordingly. Once you've confirmed everything is set correctly, you might also want to click the Detect button, although this usually isn't necessary. You can also revisit Advanced Display Settings, then click on Display Adapter Properties for the monitor that's experiencing issues. Under the Monitor tab, if there's a higher refresh rate available, select it and click Apply to save the changes. So that's it, a pretty simple tutorial. I hope this helped you resolve your screen issues, and as always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.